In this video, we're going to talk about how you can transfer money from Bank of America to another account, to another bank. So here in this article, we can read a bank-to-bank transfer. So if you have the recipient's account number and routing number, there is a way you can transfer money from your bank account into that account. Now, a routing number, also known as a bank routing number or ABA number, is a 9-digit code that identifies where an account is located. So if the person is using an account in or from another bank, you might use this method for sending smaller amounts of money to someone you send to regularly. For larger amounts, a wire transfer is another option. I have a separate video on how you can wire transfer on Bank of America. This is also a great way to transfer money between your own accounts at different banks. So you will need your recipient's account and routing numbers. The fees may vary by bank, amount, and delivery time, but it could also be free, and the timing varies again by bank, but can happen immediately or within a few days. So you will need the recipient's account and routing numbers, and you can send them money from Bank of America directly into their bank. That's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.